Yumichan here with another video. Today's video, as you can see, I'm in a different area of my room. And that is simply because the shelf that is behind me, we're going to reorganize it today. It's been bugging me, it's been really cramped, and I really need to go through some things and get rid of some things that I no longer need. So that being said, let's jump into it, and there will be a voiceover of me just talking in general while I do this, because this whole video is going to be sped up. So I really hope you guys enjoy it, and I'll see you guys at the end.
Okay, hey everyone, like I said, I'm going to be talking throughout this thing. Now, I just want to let you know that there's days where you see that I'm not posting. It's not because I don't have anything planned for that day. I normally do. It's just because things get busy and I get a little bit tired and things happen where I can't post it. You can see here that I'm literally going through every single thing in this bookshelf, because there's a lot of things that I've just accumulated over the years that I no longer need, or that it just didn't fit in the bookshelf, and that I will be placing elsewhere once I have the organizational space to do so. For the time being, I did what I could with what I had. You're gonna see me toss some things here and there. One of them was an old Valentine's Day card from an ex, and two other ones are books that I didn't think I needed anymore. So I'm just gonna bring them to a secondhand store. Someone else can use those. The thing I also wanted to mention is that you see me flipping through some things. That's because I wasn't sure what was in it, if I needed it. The other thing you see there is that I put up a second shelf in there. I was going to do it on video, but then realized it would probably be too loud for me to do, so I did it off camera. Because I had to hammer in some nails to get it to stay up, because I'm missing some pegs for it. Overall, the clean wasn't more because... It was very much because it was really disorganized, but it was also affecting my mental health. And I really needed to fix it so that my mental health wouldn't suffer anymore. So that's basically the main reason. That's it for today. I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure you hit the like and the subscribe button, as well as the bell to be notified. And if you haven't already, make sure you head on over to my Patreon, where you can... Sorry. Not my Patreon, my Ko-fi, where you can buy me a coffee, and as well as over to my Twitch, where you can find me live streaming every Saturday at various hours. That's it for today. Yumichan here. Over and out.